What is up? I have in this box a fursuit. I ordered myself a second fursuit, and in today's video I will be unboxing that fursuit. So yeah, in this box is a silver fox, and let's open it up. First of all, everything is wrapped very nicely. We have a message from the maker. Thank you, Ember Fox. Written very nicely. And then we have a second message. I'm home. Aw. This is so wholesome. This is so sweet. Quick side note, thank you to the maker. They go by PanickyPatchwork on Etsy. I will link their shop below in the description. Anyways, back to the video. So yeah, and then we have the boy in here. Also, I'm using this for the first time. This is a ring light, so a lot of better content coming up. So, first of all, we've got the tail, nice and snug. So, we'll be opening this first. Alright, so I decided that I would record on the ground since that'd be better and, you know, a lot more space to watch since my room doesn't have much space and this is the widest space that there is, so here I'll be unboxing it. Holy moly. Oh my god, the fur is so soft. Holy shit. Yo. Look at this. This tail is so snug. Oh, and the smell. Gosh, it's such a good job making this tail. And it's so thick as well. I'm actually gonna try on the tail. I'm actually gonna try on the tail right now. So, I have this tail, which I bought from Paws back at a previous con, and honestly, I don't know if it's just that the fur is matted, but like, this is like much better quality than Paws. But why I'm bringing up Paws tail is because it is this little thing on it, this little hook that means that I can wear it without a belt, but it would put a hole in my pants. But you know, I don't mind that. So I take the little hook out and I put it on this tail. So now I'll be able to put on the tail with the hook. This is the tail. Oh my gosh, it feels so comfortable on me. Look at it. I'm gonna make sure to take great care of it. But we're just getting started. Alright, so now we will be unboxing the Paws. Oh my gosh, the beans look so huge. No way. Oh, look at how squishable they are. Oh my gosh, and the claws as well. Yo. then the other one. So now you got both beans. This is kind of struggling to put on the other one because you know it's so hard to grip with Paws. There we go. So here's both of them. And guess what comes last? The head. I am too excited about this. Oh my gosh. You can see him in there. Look at this bean. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he's so freaking adorable and squishable. Also, look at his eyes as well. Really purple. And look at the maw. So detailed. Also, let's see what's inside of the head. Now he's unfolded. Now you can see inside of the fursuit head where the eyes are and the mouth. Oh wait, what just dropped? Oh no way! The maker actually put a balaclava in there for me. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. I already have a balaclava, but I'll wear this one. I'll wear this balaclava since I'm gonna try him on right now. Oh my gosh. Nom, nom. Alright, now I'm gonna put him on. Look at him. Look at me. Nom. The eyesight is actually so well, like, all the way around. And he's so adorable, holy shit. Alright, I have him on now, so. I'm so happy that I bought him. Anyways, that was the Fursuit unboxing. I hope all of you enjoyed watching and have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.